Hi, thanks for checking us out. We're leaving the North Shore countryside of Jamaica, heading across the island to the South Shore city of Kingston. It's about a 2 hour drive. Our first stop along the junction road that runs north and south is at a cook shop. They sell fried chicken, fried fish, snacks, and drinks. This time, we got a fried chicken box. Arriving into Kingston, we head along one of the main roads, Constant Spring Road, all the way to Halfway Tree. Halfway Tree serves as the town's main transportation center. Buses and taxis bring people in and out of the city center all day. It's a really busy area. We're stopping at the garden center for some supplies. Another thing that is available in a lot of stores in Jamaica is hot coffee. They don't really have much stores that sell cold coffee, but they have these little vending machines that can get you hot coffee already mixed with cream and sugar. Along the roadside, they sell many goods. This is a newly renovated gas station and a few shops. We'll just take a little cruise through town before heading back north. And that was downtown Kingston. Now we're heading back north, taking the Red Hills route, ending up in Ocho Rios. And this is a view of Kingston, taken at the Red Hills Lookout. Our one stop would be in Bog Walk at the side shop that sells fresh cane juice. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to see more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.